My name is Dr. Mark Buckner, and I'm with Wildcat Manufacturing. Wildcat Manufacturing is a student-run enterprise. So it's an immersive learning opportunity for students to get real-world experience. This project with IACMI is honestly the kinds of projects that we're looking for.
My name is Devin Slattery, and I work for Wildcat Manufacturing. So the Sunsphere project first started when a client approached us about making these keychains with bases. So we worked the iteration process of putting the IACMI logo in the Sunsphere.
It's never right the first time. And the sooner you can get something and see it, you can see ways to improve it.
Yeah, we're using laser cutting. So we etch with the laser and then we cut out the Sunsphere. And then we're also using 3D printing with Vartega filament.
Material that is using a subtractive technique of laser etching and cutting. And the other is an additive technique where we're using 3D printing, fused filament, to produce the base. I actually had a really neat note from a student that had never done any of this before, and she said, "I'm so grateful because I'm learning things in iSchool and Wildcat Manufacturing that I've not been exposed to in any of my classes," and that's led to, in our case, even participating on the robotics team. And she said, "And it's changed my life." So it's changed the trajectory of what she thought was possible.
I don't think the project itself is that hard, but I think the numbers and production rate that you need, 300 is a lot.
You know, what I'm looking for is some creative partnerships, so that it's not going to the community with a handout and say, give us money, but can we partner in a situation that what we're really doing is producing not only things of value to our local partners, but vibrant parts of the workforce.